Okay, so this is day 9, lab number 1, the airshed setup, where I'm using red food coloring to represent car and truck pollution, green food coloring to represent lawn and garden, motorboat, and construction engines, and blue represents consumer products and paints, and yellow represents industry and commercial activities. This is the airshed. This is honestly a poor interpretation of it. Especially considering as I don't drive, considering every freaking day, considering the fact that I work from home and really hate mowing the lawn. So half of this is just gonna be don't mow the lawn, and yeah. Well, anyways, let's get started. So the first part is soap and shampoo. In the shower along with deodorant, hairspray, perfume, etc. In addition to combustion to heat water. So that is blue food coloring, because most of that is a consumer product. That's okay. Yeah. Next up, we're jumping in our car and driving to work. That is red food coloring. Paint. Next up is arriving at work, which is yellow food coloring, which, as you can see, doesn't look particularly yellow, but I suppose. So, this is mostly just things your job might end up doing, such as manufacturing, heating that small space, dry cleaning, etc. Driving over here to pick up a burger. That is red food coloring, because you're driving somewhere. And blue food coloring, because of what you're honestly actually having for lunch. And then red food coloring, because you're driving back to work. And then yellow food coloring, because it's a manufacturing plant, or some place where things are actually produced. And then you're driving home, so that's red. Red, picking up dry cleaning, so that's blue. Yeesh, these things are finicky. Oh, and mowing the lawns, that's green. And then in the fall, evenings are getting cold, so using the gas fireplace is blue food coloring. Now, due to the fact that we apparently drive 4 times a day, which is something that should honestly be cut out. The lawn and the fireplace are both, frankly, things that blankets and not caring about your lawn can fix. Next, dry cleaning is something you should be owning a personal setup for. So let's add that all together. So that's 4 for not driving around in the car. Or that is 5 now, because you've removed dealing with mowing your lawn. 6, if you're dealing with a gas fireplace. 7, if you're just willing to not eat, what was it? Like, if you're not willing to eat unhealthy food, but that's not really avoidable. Well, I feel like mass manufacturing of food's going to continue, so I'm not gonna add that. So ultimately, yeah, that's about everything. I'm going to just total this up in the dock and move on. Thank you for watching this, and on we go.